Understanding the phrase, call a bluff, in English. Hello, English explorers. Today, we're diving into the intriguing world of English idioms and phrases. In this video, we'll unravel the meaning behind the phrase, call a bluff. Stay tuned to discover how to use this expression like a native speaker. When someone calls a bluff, they are challenging another person to prove that they are being honest about an intention or a claim. It's like saying, I don't believe you, prove it. This phrase comes from the card game poker, where bluffing can be a key part of the game. The term, bluff, originates from poker, where players may pretend to have better cards than they actually do, hoping others will fold. Calling a bluff in the game means demanding to see the player's cards to verify their claim. Let's look at some examples. She threatened to quit her job, but her boss called her bluff and asked for her resignation letter. I didn't believe he had done his homework, so I called his bluff and asked him to show it. This phrase is often used in situations where someone doubts another's statement or threat. It's a way to challenge someone and demand proof. However, use it cautiously, as it can come across as confrontational. I hope this video clears up the meaning of call a bluff for you. It's a handy phrase to understand and even use when you're in a pinch. Until next time, keep practicing, and don't be afraid to call someone's bluff if you need to. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.